What's going on, guys? This is Brandon. I'm Manny from the Coffee Hogs. Today we're going to bring you a different video. We're going to do a quick install on some LEDs. I believe they're halo LEDs from a company named Benlari. Now Benlari was kind enough to send me these LEDs to try on my bike. It's a simple install. However, these lights fit on multiple types of bikes, and we're going to do a fit for the Road Glide. All right, so you have a little notch for your bike if you have these bullet type lights. And what Brandon did was put the screwdriver in there. Use a nice thick enough screwdriver so you don't mar the plastic. This is a pretty simple install. You're going to do the same thing for the left as you do for the right. And notice you got to twist these off. If you haven't done these before, you got to twist these off. Brandon is making it really simple with that screwdriver. There's a slot inside that light.
So, something I'd like to mention for putting these lights in. These lights, you're supposed to line them up, they line up, they push in, and they lock. If you push it in and it doesn't go, they only go in one way. So you gotta move it till it goes in again. Try it again. See how it pushes in, rotates, and locks? That's what you want. If it doesn't do that, keep turning it until it does it. Snaps in like that.
So those snapped in pretty easy, guys. And I don't know if you noticed, but they're a little fogged. They look really cool on the daytime when they're not lit. And if you have vivid black especially, but regardless of the color, they look pretty cool. So on the front lights, no different. So if you do have dielectric grease, it's a good thing to rub some on there. If not, all you got to do is what Brandon's doing. He's showing you that little trick. He's taking the dielectric grease from the lights that were already installed and he's rubbing it off on the new ones. That's 3 down, 1 to go.
Being really careful with that screwdriver. It's really easy to mess these up. Don't want to use too much force on that.
Snap, snap, that's all 4. So we're gonna go ahead and try them out. Talk to me, Goose. All right, so you got your halos in the back. We're gonna go ahead and use the turn signals and make sure those work. So there's left, and you see how cool it looks. They go from the running halo lights in the front to the orange turn lights. Those are brake lights. So again, they go from just halo to the full light. And again, we're gonna get a quick night view of them so you see how bright they are. All right, you guys, so those were the Benlari LED halo lights. I'm gonna put the link down below. Check them out. They're on the Amazon. They have an Amazon webpage you could check out. They have other stuff as well. So it's not just the LED lights. They got grips. They got all kinds of other accessories and stuff. So check them out, go to their website. And thank you to Winnie from Benlari for sending these lights out to me to check them out. I'm gonna actually try them out for a while, and then I'll do a quick review the next time. So until the next time, guys, love you all to death. From Brandon, Manny, Coffee Hogs, peace out.